Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison, and today we'll be going over the PolkaFantasy chart, which is the XP token. Now, with PolkaFantasy, they've got a lot going on in the background just now. They've got a lot of partnerships, and they've had their NFT land sale out as well, which has been fantastic over the last kind of couple of weeks. So lots of kind of fundamental analysis, which is fantastic for PolkaFantasy, and I think it's going to be a huge game. And now we're going to be looking at the TA. So fundamentals are there. We know that. We know about the gaming sector as a whole in crypto. It's going to be absolutely massive, and it's going to exponentially grow. I would say month on month. I wouldn't even talk about it on a yearly basis. I would say week on week, month on month, it's going to exponentially grow. This gaming, the metaverse, and all that kind of narrative is just exploding at the moment, and it's just a perfect time for PolkaFantasy as well. So we'll be doing some simple TA for PolkaFantasy, and that's just looking at the traffic light charts and looking at a couple of other things for technical analysis. Nothing too deep. We don't want to go too deep. I think 80% of kind of technical analysis can be done with simple TA. So let's fire in and look at it. So round about the $1.35, 36 area, we've got strong support there for PolkaFantasy just now. The next resistance area, which is tried to get to, is round about the $2.33 area. Kind of tried that before. It was previous resistance, and then it turned into support, and now it's turning into resistance again. So I think it's going to get up there, $2.33. Once we break through $2.33, we're looking at the all-time high closing of around about $3 for PolkaFantasy. And again, I think it's going to do that. It's going to break that, and I think we're going to see a $5, $10 PolkaFantasy before the end of the year as well. So at the moment, we're at $1.80 just now, but we also see here, apart from the traffic light charts, the support, the resistance, and the next local high and next resistance area, we've also kind of breaking out of a recent trend on the daily chart. So if we kind of look at the trend line here, and we can see really from here, if we go down all the way, we can see that trend line here. And we're actually breaking out of that trend line from there. And we can almost see a pattern of a descending triangle here. Love descending triangles. What could happen with a descending triangle? We might actually get a measured move of the descending triangle. And if we did a measured move from round about here, say we're talking round about the $3 range of a measured move. So it looks as if we could have a measured move up to the $3 range. If you see that as a kind of triangle, and I kind of see that, probably a wedge more than anything, but a triangle we could view it as well in technical analysis. Nonetheless, we're on an upward trajectory for PolkaFantasy. Everything's looking good in the background, it's looking good on TA as well. I think it's a good buying opportunity, but do your own research, not financial advice and all that. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.